Alright, so this is part 2 of my previous video. I know it's been like a week since I did that one, but I haven't had some time. I need to stop being lazy, but so last time I made Pong. I think it was make, and then from make we go to build, bin, debug, Pong. Okay, gotta make that. So this one we made last time. Sorry, I got hiccups. So I made last time. Pong, everybody knows, extremely easy to do. You can probably do it in like 15 minutes, maybe even less. But that's what we did last time. I mean, it looks perfect. I have to take away all the debug features like XPause and all that. So let's do that now, so we can see how it looks like without all of that. So here we go. Okay, so we just gotta hide this. Oh, wait. We gotta just hide these. The other ones are scores when we want to keep that. So now we do this, and now we have that. So you can see it looks like Pong. Sadly, I have this collision thing with like the top. I'm not really sure how to handle that. I think there is a way, but I just don't know that way. So it is what it is. It's what it is. Anyway, in this video now, what I want to do is I want to make. Oh, we gotta go back to the website. Shapes. Yeah, let's set as default. So I have to check the starter thing. So one thing that was having issues with last time is I had to install Krita to do the use of painting. But see, with Krita you have to like open an image, go to new, have a canvas width and height, and set out these channels. So what I want to do is using Raylib, I want to make paint. Where's the fucking quick starter guide for Raylib? Oh my god. Here we go. New Linux. And then we have the quick start. And we go here. So I'm gonna name it. What should I name it? Ray Paint. That sounds like ray casting. Fuck. What should I name it? I should name it Raint. Mini Paint. I'm just gonna name it Mini Paint. Mini Paint. Oh. So Mini Paint build. I think now it's pre-make and gimmick. I do not know anything at all about pre-make and gimmick, so the thing the instructions there. Go back to root, run make. You are good to go. So now creating an object, x64 debug, mini paint. Should be on build, should be on bin, debug, and then we have mini paint, and there's our wabbit. So let me remove everything. Emacs source, and okay, let's remove that wabbit. Hello SDL, I'll keep it. Uh, I'll do this because we might need textures. Actually, no, we won't. We'll probably only do like shapes, like some color shapes. I have it on the top, and if you click it, then you get that shape and you can draw with it. Oh no, you take that color, then you can draw with it. So I won't really need that one. I'll leave it. I'll leave it. I just comment it out. Comment this out. This is fine. Yeah, I'll leave that. I mean, I don't really need it, but I'll leave it. Ooh. So what? So how should it work? Notepad or notes? Okay. Paint program basics. So it should have a color palette. I think that's how you spell color palette. You know what I mean? Color palette. Okay, I'm not a robot. All right. Okay, there we go. So, palettes. It should have color palettes. What the fuck notes? Color palettes. So I'm gonna start with the basic RGB: red, green, blue, red, green, blue. So minimum. I'm just gonna color palette. I want to make shapes with it, so you have have to have two shapes. Two shapes, and I'm gonna make it be circle, square, and circle. I want to give it more color palettes than red, green, and blue. That's why I just don't leave it like that. I have two shapes for her circle. What else? I want to add a button to clear everything to black. I could do it that it'll do with the current color. Would that work? Would that work? Well, I'll do black first, and I'll see if I can make it be a specific color. I was thinking of making this be with C++ instead of C. But screw it, I guess I'll just do C++. I mean C, and then or should I do C++? Because I do get the oop, and with oop I can just let's just do it with C. So with Krita, I'm gonna like try to make like a so it'll be I want it first to be a black window. It'll have shapes of different colors. RG MB. Sorry, my coloring, my skills just fucking suck. So it'll be like that. So I have red. I'll have green. Let's make that a bit more red. Oh my god, that looks. I have green and I have blue. So I have these color palettes at the top. It'll have a button. I want to make it be gray. It'll have a button right here with text, say clear with the text, and the text is gonna be saying clear. What the fuck? Clear. Save. Close. I can't fucking see it. There we go. So it's gonna say clear. Will probably be gray. Here we go. Will probably be gray. You cannot use to. Oh my god. Gray. And I'll have clear. What else? What else? What else? Gray, clear. Gray, clear. Shapes. It'll have a square shape right here. So it'll be. I guess I'll just make it white. Like this, square shape, then it'll have circle shape. Like that on the side. This is gonna be our editor. Right here. It's gonna be very simple. It's gonna be like paint as that editor. It's gonna be a paint, and it's gonna like paint with these. That's what I plan to. Do I have a clue how to do it? No. But last time I did do some rectangles, some circles with like the ball. So I think I have like an idea to turn into like a circle shape. But I don't know about I don't know how to make buttons. So this is what now thinking about it, C++ would have come in handy because I gotta make a class with C++ and it'll be like a button class. And with the button class, I can wrap like fucking Raylib shit around it, and then it'll be so much easier. But you know, it is what it is. Hold on, though. Be right back. Be right back. I have to. Oh my god, this whole time the mic was muted. The mic was muted this whole time. The mic was muted this whole time. And I didn't even... How did I forget to press that button? It's 1 hour and I'm not gonna restart this, guys. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna like fucking do it. Plus, it'll be cheating. It'll be cheating. It'll be cheating over to restart. I'll be like, guys, I'm sorry. I didn't. What was it called? I didn't. I lost. I couldn't capture my. Fuck it. I'm just gonna record it. Let's see. What's the timestamp? Like around like 1:07. Okay, there we go. I wrote it down. Now I can put like a notification to like skip to timestamp to hear audio. Okay, it should be working now. So what I'm doing now is I accidentally my dumbass accidentally fucking closed that window and didn't fucking save it because I thought no was canceled like at that moment. Right now I'm thinking like if should I make it like the button be the same as the square button, but for the circle button be an actual circle button. But then I remembered that the circle button takes a radius, and radius is a flow, and it just wouldn't really work with, my god, it just wouldn't really work. See, because I have a radius, and this requires a size. What I could have done is separate it and make these and make make the x of the size be the radius, and then make the radius the size y be just 0. Maybe that could work. I could try it. Oh, fuck it. So now circle shape. Clear button size. That's fine. Its size is fine. This I need to change. This is just gonna be 0 plus. I'm a retard. It's just that. And this is gonna be below it. It's gonna be plus additional button padding. And this is gonna be below it. Let's focus more on this. This is gonna be the same thing. Actually, I could take this. No. Yeah, I could take this. And I could put it here. Because right now we're concerned with the height. And the height, or what I could do is make it follow relatively to the color palette position. With the color palette radius. So I can do, you can ignore that. I can just have, why is that there? Oh, and because I didn't change it. Shapes button. Clear button. Fuck, I forgot to capitalize region. God. Shapes button. There we go. Uh, I don't know, I'm gonna make the buttons first, then I'll make the background. That way it's less confusing. Okay, I got hi, I don't need this anymore. And shouldn't be happening. I don't know why that's happening. Why is that oh, because this. I could do this way faster, but I'm just not doing it. 89. Circle button. That is correct. My button has no member name X. Pulse X. Okay, there we go. So I could just, yeah, I'll just make it be by the padding, but I'll make it be on the X. So instead of, so right here, it gets the total size. But what I can do. Divided by 2. So I can make the middle. Minus palettes circle radius. Square button. Square button. No, that doesn't really work. So what if I do 0 plus our palette circle radius, and I times it by 2, by 4. The fuck am I? Oh my god. Square button size padding, and then I can have this. There. This, I need to move this. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Then I can have square button size. It should just be button additional padding because it is a 0. I'll put it in quotations just to make it safer in case I ever want to edit it. And it should be smaller and even. I want to make that be more of a circle, square shape. That's good. I think that's good. The position, the padding, I think it's all good. Then I need to... Wow, it's almost as if oop existed. This would be way easier. Let's just replace string, clear button with this square shape. And I want to make the button font size be smaller for this. I'm just gonna make a custom of 4. It won't work because it's not, there's no word wrap. Wrapping mode. Text. That's texture. Text drawing functions. Text code point manager. Text manager. Text to flow. It's interesting. Load font is font valid. Image font atlas. Unload font. Export font. Draw text. Draw text X. What? Draw text in font. An additional parameter. Vector to position. Rotation. What the fuck? Measure text will be to get the text. That'll be nice. Get a cliff. I wanna like wrap it, but I guess it'll be a split where if it like reaches a certain word, add a new line. So it'll technically be something like that. Okay, that works. Oh, perfect. Hey, I cheated the system. I didn't know if it worked like that, but oh, cool. I can also add this to circle shape. Whoops. Clear button, I mean. Yeah, it's a circle shape, but mostly clear button. And I can increment the font. So it looks better. And I can give it more space. I know this is hacky as hell, but that looks really fucking good. Look at that looks really good. Square shape. Sally. I need to just move the position of it up by more for that text. Plus additional padding. This is also 4. I just need button padding. I'm a retard, right? So I can know the position. What about minus? So what I can do is, if the text reaches, if the text reaches a certain word, I can split it and then add like new lines to that split. So it's like, okay, split this with this, and then I'll append to the fucking, so then it'll match it. But I'm not gonna do that because A, that works better with oop. B, I'm also too fucking lazy, and C, I don't want to make this video too long. And to be honest, C prevails. I should just say second. I don't want to make this video too long. What the fuck was I doing again? I get fucking distracted so easily. Okay. So let's make the shape not like that. Kind of make it a little bit more bigger. But it isn't bad. It just annoys me for some fucking reason. Whatever. 64. Whatever. Okay, never mind. I gotta do something. That's me. Okay, what about 52? That's not too bad. I actually really prefer that. And then that looks really nice. I like that. Okay. And now I do this. So I want the button to remain the same. Oop. I could actually also just make this a function, so it's not just me not having ooped. It's just me being dumb. Okay. Replace string clear button with okay. Background, okay. Eighty six. 86. Ah. I give them a fucking extra chromosome. There we go. Okay, now why is it like that? Well, obviously it's because there you go. It was feeding off itself. I'll do the same thing. We'll circle pause. So I'm silent. But an additional padding is what I want. I'm just thinking. I don't know why I didn't just get the first one. No. My God, this shit hates me so much. There we go. So 4. Still 8. Still 6. Yeah, it works. So instead of draw rectangle, I'm gonna do draw circle. Draw circle V. Pause is center, that's fine. Radius is gonna be size X. Color is gonna be color. Guys, I figured it out. What about size blind? Oh, shit. I'm just gonna do that. I feel a little bit exhausted. Feel a little bit of sex exhausted. Like I actually did something. I just feeling. I just. It's not exhaustion. It's more like like this video is so long, and I just like thinking to myself like, oh my god, I'm just gonna be like making it longer. I need to like just. So, 48. Might as well legit fucking increase. That should be fine. In fact, I'll do 24. 32. And then you just have to move it to the right more. And then you just have to move the font more to the left. Hold on, the music stop. All right. Plus size X should be minus. No, that's good. It should be 16. I want to change the Y position. 24. Then this should be. Eight. 26. 28. 32. 30. 28. I'm sorry, I know I'm repeating myself. 29. Just gonna do 30. And I'm going to move this more. And that should be it. That looks pretty good. Then I'll make the background. Six. Then I can make the size smaller. 6, 7. Size small. Okay, that's pretty good. So now I have to work on mouse events. But I think that's gonna be it for now. I'm gonna stop right now. I should honestly keep going through mouse events, but I probably have to be busy later, and I kind of want to like enjoy my own time at least today, because I'm just gonna be working tomorrow, and I might like resume this in like a week, and I kind of want to just spend like some time me playing. I'm playing right now Dragon Ball Z Kakarot, so I kind of know what I want to do then. Want to chill, watch some YouTube videos. I'm actually very happy that I did this though. And to be honest, this is good. You know, it's pretty nice. What I have to do now is just make it so when I click this, I have like an object and I can drag it around. That's what I'm gonna be working on next. Which will requires mouse events and things. So I'll make this be like part 1 of the video. Excuse me. And then I'm gonna release like a part 2 where it's just me like adding the functionality, like if you tap this you get the green color, if you tap this you get the blue color, you tap this you get the red color. And that was my phone. And you tap this you get like a little animation, you tap this you get another animation, and then you like tap this you hold the screen, and you can draw when you're holding like the left mouse button, and you tap this, now you hold the screen, you draw it, you know, things like that. You tap this circle, I mean it's self-explanatory, and then you tap this and it resets everything to black. Yep. So that'll be my my thing. Oh my god, get a lot of notifications. Let me name this mini painter. Mini painter. Yeah, that's nice. Look at that. So I'll be doing that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. I'm sorry again for the scuffness, you know, like with the audio. It wasn't fucking like I forgot to unmute it because I have to go for a bit. Me thinking a lot. I have to get better commentary, but you know, so far this is what we got. You know, I have to also like they should have taken me this long. I could have done things better. Like I could have like worked on the functionality first, got the functionality, and then I could have just implemented the buttons. Like that wouldn't really like take that long. I could have done that first instead of like focusing more on the design, then from the design implement the mechanics. I think backwards would have worked well, because mechanics it will be like the harder part. Like editing this, I mean like that's just art stuff. You can use it. You can have ChatGPT do that for you, but like clicking it so it knows and then like change it, that's gonna just take even more longer. I should have done that first. But yeah, that's gonna be it. This is what we got. This is what we have right now. This is our mini painter program. I'm excited for it. It's gonna get better. I might add more palettes. I might add the white palette, and I'm also gonna add like a black palette, which is weird because. So what I could do is I could like put like a square, and then put the black palette, and it'd be like brown or something. It'd be like a palette. I could put black and white there. That way they don't really like blend in with like the fucking background. Mostly black because I have a black background. Anyway, that'll be it. So yeah, bye guys, take care, and peace.